Hey, this is Byron, and welcome to Stock Market 101. Okay, a couple of things I want to address. Okay, first of all, don't listen to any outside noise when it comes to the stock market. They're not doing it like companies are not trying to get you to come to their company so you can make money. They have selfish things on their agenda. They're trying to get you to bring your money to them so they can make money. I'm the only stock professional person that don't want anything in return. So listen to what I have to say. My last 35 out of 36 stocks has been correct. You can research my videos, my YouTube videos. I think I'm the best in the world, but I'm not cocky. I'm very confident. And I'm making money for like 30 some families now. Last 2 months, I gained 10 more families. And I've been right when I come to picking stocks. I've been totally right, but I'm human. I can't get stocks wrong. But trust me on this. I can make money for you when it comes to the stock market. You could quit your job and just listen to what I have to say because I do the legwork. I research it 24 hours a day when it comes to a stock. I am a professional short-term investor. That's what I do. And I'm very good at it. And I'm making a lot of money for a lot of people. So give me a chance, please. Okay, and at the end of this video, I'm gonna have another hot stock for you, but you have to get in right now because this is the entry point when it comes to stocks. You have your entry points and your exit points when it comes to stock. This is the entry point where you can make money on this stock. Do not buy a stock unless you know what you're doing because you can lose everything. This is very valuable advice. Very valuable advice. Do not buy a stock unless you know what you are doing. Stocks that have great names like Walmarts and Amazons and things like that do not make them a good investment. That do not make that a good stock because it could be overpriced. I'm trying to teach you stock market 101. I'm just trying to help you out. But if you listen to what I have to say, you will make a lot of money when it comes to the stock market. I'm 62 years old. I've been doing this for like 30 some years now. I make money every minute, every hour, every day, every week, because I am a short-term investor. I buy my stock, make a few thousand, I get out. I buy a stock, make a few thousand, I get out. That's what I do. Now you got to ask yourself, what type of investor do you want to be? There's nothing wrong with being a long-term investor, or a dividend investor, or like somebody just wait on stock, like a speculator. It's like 4 different styles. You have to decide what you want to be. Do you want to do options trading? Do you want to do ETFs, index funds? Nothing wrong with that. And that's great for beginners. Do you want to do cryptocurrency? Do you want to do swing trading? There's so many different ways when it comes to the stock market. But my profession is short-term investing. I'm very good at that right there. But the first thing you want to do is get you an online brokerage account. One that's not trying to get over on you. There's thousands out there. Get one that pays margins and ones that do not charge you for buying and selling stock. This is very important. Okay, there's a lot of companies that will try to get over on you by charging you to buy a stock and sell that stock. Buy that stock and sell that stock. You do not want that. You want a company that does not charge for that and that pays margins. What margins mean is, I'm going to give you an example. Say you put $10,000 in the stock market. That's still your money. Margins will give you probably, an average, another $10,000 for buying power. You cannot put that money in your pocket. That's just to purchase more shares of a certain stock. That's all it is. So you have to find a company that does that. I think Charles Schwab does that, Ameritrade, E-Trade. I could go on and on. There's quite a few companies that's very good at that. But that's just another helpful hint when it comes to the stock market. See, a lot of companies that get on TV and stuff like that, they don't tell you what I'm telling you. They tell you different things. Their main focus is come to my company or do my system and you will make money. That's their selling tool. But if they're wrong, they're not going to give you back that money. That's why what I do is I give you a stock after I do the legwork and I find a good stock for you. And like I said, the last 35 out of 36 stocks that I picked, and you can look at my YouTube videos to check my history, and I'm going to show you today on one of them, I was right. But you have to get in right away. Short term is a certain technique you have to have. When I give you that stock, that's why you have to subscribe to my video right away. When I give you that stock, my video come to you, buy that stock right away. And I almost guarantee you that stock is going to go up. Now, nobody knows when a stock is going to go up. There's no way to know. But I know trends. And my percentage rate is so high right now. What I'm doing is so effective, I need to keep on doing it because it is working. That's all I'm telling you. Like I said, get your online brokerage account. That's one helpful hint. Now, for beginning people that's getting in the stock market, for beginning investors, I suggest ETFs or index funds because you're buying a collection of stocks. Most likely very strong stocks. They don't fluctuate that much. You will make money doing it that way. Not a lot of money at first, but you won't lose anything. It's a very safe way to do it. Index fund and ETFs. That's just buying a collection of stocks. Now, when you buy a stock, I want to give you an understanding. You are the owner of that company. A small percent, but you are the owner of that company. If you buy Walmart, say you buy one share, you are part owner of that company. A small part of it, but you are owner of that company to give you an insight of what you're doing when it comes to buying stock. Okay, like I said, the stock market is the greatest form of wealth if you're doing it right. If you are doing it right. Now, if you are doing it wrong, you can lose everything like I did when I was young. So listen to what I'm saying. You have a advantage. Your advantage is me. I am doing the legwork for you. I will find a stock for you that's going to make money for you. You don't have to do no research. One thing you need to do is some like elections. That affects stocks. The president of the United States could do things like if you go into war with, example, Venezuela, that can affect the stock market. The Christmas season, that can affect stocks. What people are wearing, what people are what shoes they're wearing, Nike, Adidas, Skechers, whatever, what clothing they're wearing, things like that. That affects certain stocks too. What's hot right now? They call it the new hot. Young people say that. What's hot right now? You can look at things like that. There's so much to tell you, but I'm not going to talk your ear off. I'm going to make different videos about different techniques. A couple of things you want to look at when it comes to the stock before you buy your stock. A quick helpful hint. I told you about entry point and exit point. You want to look at the news on the stock. That's another thing. Look at the news on the stock. Read the news very thoroughly. Look and see what sector it is. See if it's technology. See if it's clothing apparel. See if it's oil. You pretty much can see what's hot out there. See what sector it is in. See if it's bullish or bearish. Bullish is very important. Bearish is bad. Look and see if it's 100% bullish. That's a sign. That's a good sign towards a good stock. Look and see what the analysts say. The analysts will tell you on that particular stock, when you pull up that stock, that's what I'm looking at right now on my TV, on my big screen, they will tell you if it's positive, if it's a strong buy, if it's negative, or if it's a hold. They will tell you all that stuff. Usually green is good. If it's green, that's good. Red is bad when it comes to what analysts are telling you. That's just another thing to look at. You can pull up a stock screener when it comes to the stock market too. Say you're looking for a stock. You can tell the computer, I want a positive stock under $50 per share, something that's strong buy, something that's buy, something that got upgraded, things like that. You could tell them and they will pull up certain stocks for you. That's just another helpful hint. You want something to pay out dividends. Some people want that's a dividend investor. Some people want stocks that pay out dividend checks. That is free money you put in your pocket. Some people go in that direction right there. There's nothing wrong with that either. There's a lot of different techniques when it comes to the stock market. But I'm just trying to give you some helpful hints before you buy your first stock. This is very, very, very important. And the three things I want to tell you is, buy low, sell high. These are three rules you don't want to break. Buy low, sell high. If a stock goes down, that's when you buy it. You don't buy it when it goes up. Say Walmart. I'm just using Walmart as an example. Walmart is at $80 a share, and it goes up to $90. You say, oh, that stock is doing good. I want to buy it. No. Buy low, sell high. You got to buy it at the entry point, 80. You don't buy high and sell low. You don't do that. And like I said, don't get greedy. I'm going to emphasize that. Do not get greedy. That's very important. I need you to write these things down before you buy your first stock. If you're thinking about getting into the stock market, which you should, remember those three things. And the last one is timing is everything when it comes to stocks. Timing is everything. I mean, everything. I cannot emphasize that enough. Timing is everything. They all connected. Buy low, sell high. Timing, buy low, that's the timing. Sell high, that's the timing. Make your money and run if you're doing short-term investing. Long-term, you're going to find a strong stock, maybe an ETF or index fund, and just ride it out, and you make gradual money throughout history. So those are some helpful hints when it comes to the stock market. Now, the hot stock I say buy today is 2 days before Christmas. It's 12/23/2025. The stock is, let me pull it up right now. Okay. Woo! I can talk, can I? Make sure I got it down here. Okay, the stock that kept going up, I'm going to show you on the screen later, but it's another hot stock out there. I got to pull it up. It's BMRN. I'm writing it down. BMRN. Let's see how it's doing. Did I get it right? Yes. That stock is going to do well. Today is 12/23. Remember, write this down. 12/23. Byron said that stock was going to go up. Okay, that stock is trading at $60.77 a share. It's up 1.49. So it's doing pretty good. There's a lot of good news that came out on it, but I think that stock is going to go up. Remember today, 12/23. I said that stock was going to go up. Look at the news on that stock. You can pull it up on Google. I think that stock is going to do good for you. Remember, it's B as in boy, M as in Mary, R as in Robert, N as in Nancy. I think that stock is going to do pretty good for you. Like I said, I'm human. I could get some wrong, but 99% of the time, I am right when I say these things. Now, I'm going to take you to the screen right now and see how my previous stocks are doing and pull up a quick video for you, and that's it. I don't want to talk your ear off, but here we go. Okay, we're at the screen. The Dow Jones is at 48, and it's up 117.41. The Nasdaq is up 111 right now, and the S&P 500 is up 28.39. Remember, today is 12/23, 2 days before Christmas, and that's a symbol. I told you, BMRN. That stock is going to go up. It's up 1.49. It's trading at $60.77. That's the bid and ask right there. You have to know what the bid and ask mean. Bid is what pretty much when you sell the stock. Ask is what you got to buy the stock at. That's the price for the price to buy the stock and the price to sell the stock. That's the volume for the stock. You have to know all these things. That's very important. The average volume, the 52-week, things like that. You have to know that. And this is my previous stock I said. MIRM, it's up 44 cents. It was a little bit higher today. That's a pharmaceutical company. That's doing pretty well. It went up 3 points the other day, and I told everybody it was going to go up. I'm going to show you the video in 1 second. And the new stock, the new hot newness, BMRN. That's a pharmaceutical company. It's up 1.61. That's the new stock. I think it's going to go up, and we'll see. Look at the stock market. Today is December 22nd, 2025. And let me see if I made some money for people. Look at my other videos and it show exactly what stocks I said was going to go up and when. Please look at my other videos so I can show you exactly how good I am towards making money for people. I'm excited, I'm smiling, but let's look at it right now. Okay, I said my last one was MIRM. It's up 3.40, ladies and gentlemen. It's up 3.40. It's trading at 81.14. I told you yesterday, no, I'm sorry, Friday, that stock was going to go up, and it went up. MU, I said, it's the best stock out there. Guess what? It's up 10.42. I told you, it's up 10.42. I am the best in the world at this, towards making money for people. You don't have to work again in your life. Just like, subscribe, and share my video, and my videos can get to you that first day where you can, the entry point where you can make money. The next one was Victoria's Secrets. That's the only one that's down right now, but that's no problem. It's been going up every single day. It's up 1.54. I'm sorry, it's down 1.54, but it's been going up every day. Let's look at a few more. I'm consumed about this. I study the stock market 24 hours a day. Five Below. A week ago, I said that stock, Wednesday, I said that stock was going to go up. I'm trying to remember the exact date because I don't want to lie to you. You can look at my videos and research what I'm saying. It's a 5.28. Yeah. Oh man, I'm tired. Yeah, I want to end this video by thanking everyone for all the support you've been giving me. And watch out for this new stock. I told you, BMRN. I think that stock is going to go up. Today is 12.23. I think it's going to go up very soon. I think it's going to go up tomorrow. I don't know around Christmas because everything closed on Christmas, but we'll see. It might go up then. But just subscribe, like, and share my video. But definitely subscribe so my videos can get to you right now so you can make money. That's very important to me. It's not to make any money for me. It's to make money for you. That's all I want to do. And that's why I pulled up some previous videos to show you exactly and research my videos. My YouTube channel is on there. It's at Byron Banks. That's at BYRONBANKS 4576. That's my YouTube channel. So you can pull up my other videos to see how many times I've been right. Like I said, I've been right 35 out of 36 times since I've been suggesting a good stock for you. Like I said, I'm gonna do the legwork for you. You don't have to do anything but make money. That's all I want you to do. But definitely give me your opinion and leave comments on my video because I'm just trying to help you out. I hope that stock make money for you. Happy holidays, early Merry Christmas, and even an early Happy New Year. And I hope everybody make money the end of 2025 and the beginning of 2026. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.